Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching initiative Ekaleva. Standard 3 CBSE English. We are going to learn a lesson from Raintree English Literature Reader. The name of the lesson is Shy Salma. Shy is the attitude of not speaking to unknown people. In this lesson, we are going to read about a girl who is very shy and how she shed out such unwanted behavior. Now let us read and enjoy the lesson, Shy Salma. There was once a little girl called Salma who was very shy. She was so shy that she couldn't even say hello or thank you when people spoke to her. There was a little girl called Salma who was very shy. Salma would not talk or greet any of the visitors who came to her house. Salma wished she wasn't shy. Her mother was quite annoyed with her, but Salma just couldn't talk when visitors came. Annoyed means a little angry. Salma knew that it was not good to be shy, but still she couldn't give up that behavior of being shy. Even her mother gets angry with her for such behavior. Spoke is past tense, speak, speak is present tense. One day, Salma and her aunt Rekha were at a park. Why don't you run about and play? Said Aunt Rekha to Salma. One day, Salma went to a park with her Aunt Rekha. Her aunt told Salma why she can't run about and play in the park. Salma played by herself for some time, then suddenly she saw a few tiny people behind a bush. They were talking in high voices like birds. Salma did not play with anybody. She played by herself as she was shy. At that time, Salma saw a few tiny people behind a bush. She heard them talking in loud voice like that of birds. Salma stared in great surprise. Stared means looked closely. Were they dwarfs, fairies, aliens? Dwarfs means a person of much smaller size. Aliens means creatures from another planet. Salma observed those tiny people closely and wondered whether they were dwarfs or fairies or aliens. Those people were not like usual people. They were very small, and so she was surprised to see them. They looked up at her and smiled. Good afternoon, said one. What is your name? Well, Salma was too shy to say her name. She just looked down at the ground and said nothing. When Salma looked at them, they looked at her and smiled. One among them wished her good afternoon and asked what her name was. As Salma was shy, she didn't give a reply, but she stood looking down at the ground. We are going to look round this park, said another. Would you like to come with us, little girl? Salma wanted to say no, but she didn't answer. One of the creatures said that they were going to look round that park and asked her whether she liked to come with them. Salma wanted to say that she was not coming but didn't reply as she was shy. Then the creatures began to talk to one another in surprise. Creatures means any living thing that is not a plant. Those creatures began to talk to each other in surprise. Began is past tense. Begin. Begin is present tense. She doesn't speak. She doesn't say a word. Poor little girl, she can't talk. She looks like such a nice little girl. What can we do about it? As Salma did not give an answer, they thought that she can't speak and can't say a word. They pitied her that such a nice little girl couldn't speak. So the creatures thought what they could do to help her. Do you have a tongue, little girl? Asked the first creature. Still, Salma didn't answer. She continued to look down. The first creature asked the little girl whether she had a tongue, but Salma didn't answer. She continued to look down. Well, look at her shoes, said another one. They are nice little lace shoes and they have tongues. Let us make them talk. Then, when people ask her questions, the tongues of her shoes can answer for her. That would be a help to her. Tongues means here it is the shoe tongues. It is a strip of leather under the lace of a shoes. You can see here the tongues of the shoe. This is the tongues of the shoe. Another creature looked at her shoes and said that she had a nice little lace shoes which have tongues. So they could make the tongues of the shoes to talk. Now the tongues of her shoes can answer the questions asked by the people. So the little creature thought that if they can make the tongues of the shoes to speak for her, it would be of great help to her as she can't speak. Help is present tense, help is past tense. And to Salma's surprise, a voice answered from down near her feet, a funny, deep voice. Yes, thank you. I can speak. Salma was surprised to hear a deep voice from near her feet. The voice thanked the little creatures and said it could speak. Salma had such a shock that she ran to her aunt. Is anything wrong? She asked. Salma shook her head, but the tongues answered at once. Salma was shocked and ran to her aunt. Her aunt asked whether there was anything wrong. Salma just shook her head, but the tongues of the shoes gave the reply immediately. Shook is the past tense, shake, shake is the present tense. No, nothing is the matter. Thank you, Auntie. The tongues of the shoes replied immediately that there was no problem. Her aunt was surprised to hear such a deep voice. Why, it sounds as if your voice has gone down to your shoes, she said. Come along now. It is time to go home. Her aunt was surprised to hear such a deep voice and asked why her voice was not heard from her tongue but from somewhere down near her shoes. Her aunt then said it was time to go home. Students, we will stop the lesson here and continue in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, students.